Hey guys, Sylvia here. How is it going? Welcome to my channel and welcome to my CoverFox review. So then guys, as you can see, I am right inside of the members area of CoverFox, and in this review I'll give you a walk through this product, then we'll check out the sales page, and we'll also check out the vendor's profile on Warrior Plus, and then we have some the upsells we'll go through, so we have the whole funnel. And last but not least, for those guys who are really wanting, yeah, like you want to succeed online as much as you want to breathe when you're underwater. You know what I mean? That's how much you have to want to succeed. Then you will succeed. If you want to lay a solid foundation to your online presence, if you want to explore, play, but in a serious way, when you really put your head in the game with affiliate marketing, and you want to learn how to generate traffic, because this offer has nothing to do with traffic as such, okay? It's a different story, the CoverFox. But guys, traffic you will always need if you want to sell anything, okay? Then I have amazing free courses for you guys, which I have personally tried. I have gone through everything, and they really kickstarted my affiliate marketing making money online process, like realistically, and I am making sales on daily basis, almost daily basis. It's not huge amounts for now, it's not necessarily every day, but it is happening and more frequently because my business is growing, guys. But these courses really set me on the right path with an amazing vendor who's very knowledgeable, techie, super funny, super helpful, realistic. He'll tell you as it is, okay, and I chat with him like almost every day. So I'm sending you to these courses if you're serious. The link will be right below my review in the description box, completely free, off charge. Okay, grab them. They could be bonuses on top of this product, or you can buy them, outside of getting this product altogether, because I'm not telling you have to obviously buy it. I'm just reviewing this product, but I will promote it because it's quite an interesting product for the right person. What this product is all about, CoverFox in essence, so it's gonna be like 50 templates, fully customizable, editable, great designs for your PLR products, for your lead magnets and other stuff. Okay, so good designs that you can, if you have, what is it called? Photoshop, you can edit them from within Photoshop. If you don't, they do give you a free alternative for Photoshop that you can use, and they give you a training, provide you on training on how to use it as well. So this is what this product is all about in essence. We'll check out the members area now. Let's just quickly go through perhaps the sales page, but in short, okay, this product was put together by Dawud Islam, so he's a big frequent launcher on Warrior Plus, and Jeremiah Villagomez, so that is his student. Because, okay, let me tell you what I mean by that. Because Dawud Islam has got his academy. As you can see, this is, okay, it's being launched on Warrior Plus. So we have the products here, the upsells, so it comes with some upsells, be aware of that. And once you get the front end, you will be presented with the upsells hit by the funnel. So if you want something, get it. If not, leave it and move on. Just use the front end. But what I want to draw your attention to is this, this academy. So Dawud Islam has got this elite academy where he, it's quite a good academy. Apparently, I have heard of it, and, good feedback from a lot of my friends, colleagues, okay, other affiliate marketers from my other high-ticket training course called Ministry of Freedom, which, by the way, I do not endorse as such, but I met some cool people, made connections, and they were actually praising this Elite Academy, and that would allow his students to launch, their first products under his name, under his big name on Warrior Plus, so he takes them sort of under his wings, and that is sort of cool, and it's really up to his students what kind of products they will launch, okay? Now, we know that most of the products are on Warrior Plus are garbage, but you know, I would not sort of discredit anyone right off the bat just because they launched something, sorry about the ambulance, because they launched something on Warrior Plus. There are good products on Warrior Plus, and people, you know, we need to give people a chance, okay? So we need to be fair. And let me check Dawud Islam score. So, and trust me guys, there are only a few products by Dawud Islam that I actually chose to promote. And this one, I'm kind of comfortable promoting because of his like straightforward way of talking about it in the, you know, on the sales page as well. He does not make you any money promises that it's going to make you so much money. He just pretty much says as it is, these are your templates, designs, you can customize them. We give you a free tool, and that's fair enough. It's cool. It's straight to the point, and, you know, take it or leave it. That simple as that. Okay, so his score is over 3.5, so people say they like it. So I would say it's a decent score, okay? Okay, let's shut that, and let's check out the sales page maybe first. And they say, finally, your EcoVer design solution is here. So 50 stunning, so straight to the point, 50 stunning, done for you, time saving and completely editable e-cover designs for one low time price. Okay, so no more expensive graphics and designers, no more low quality designs, no more hassle and design complications, all the tools you need to finally succeed online. Well, guys, you've gone too far here with this statement. I mean, you need a bit more tool to succeed online, but it's one of the tools. Okay, good graphics are important because it's really the first impression, right? The same as like good thumbnails are very important for YouTube videos because it's either, you know, make it or break it, sort of, right? Okay, either people decide to click on it or skip it. So, yeah. So you need to like know how to draw your, well, clients, viewers' attention. And the designs are undoubtedly super important. So forget about spending hundreds of dollars on cover designs. Forget about wasting. Well, you can, you know, create your own with Canva. Obviously, it's a free tool. Obviously, Canva, you know, I would just send you to Canva, guys. Just try Canva. I mean, you can, you know, there is a professional account, Pro, that is a monthly subscription with Canva that you pay around $10 a month, if I am not mistaken, with a 1 month free trial. So you can try that as well. But the free version of Canva is super good as well. I use it all the time. But I guess that's done for your templates here. So it's totally up to you. If you're not creative, if you cannot bother designing, like coming up with your own ideas, you can get the templates. No big deal, okay, for one-time price. So they also say forget about wasting time creating your own cover designs. Stop stressing over trying to perfect your cover designs and getting them just right. Well, it's true. You have to make some twists and this and that. It's like to make them nice. But even if you have templates, you know, you still have to edit them, customize them, you know, put in your info, your logo, this and that. So it's still some work that you need to do. Okay, so simple as that, and I like his his student. He's apparently a graphic expert. I don't know if he's an expert. He's apparently good with graphics. So what I also like that Dawud actually on his short sales page shows the inside of the members area, but I'll show you the members area properly. Dawud gave me the review access, you know, which I'm very grateful for. And then, yeah, these are the designs. So you see, okay, in all sorts of niches. And then you can, if you don't have Photoshop, they'll give you access to a free tool, good quality alternative, free alternative to Photoshop that you can make changes to these templates. from inside of that tool. Okay, so this is all you will get. So 50 done for you designs, step by step, easy to follow videos, no additional purchases needed to get started, no tech skills needed, completely newbie friendly start, to 10x your results as early as today. Not sure what they meant by that, I really don't know. Fully customizable, also all source files included. Okay, yeah. So yeah, they are customizable. And then you'll get some bonuses, also some files that you will download, like infographics, motivation, to do with personal development, confidential graphics notebook, the secret book. I'll show you inside of the members area the bonuses, but you will get them as well. 5 bonuses. Okay, and that's it. Right, so let me show you the members area. So first you will have the overview by and the welcome video by Dawud Islam and his student Jeremiah Villagomez. Okay, a friendly chap, he seems. And then the overview also by Dawud Islam. Here is the main training section, so how to access. Okay, so Dawud will send you to this link here and the access to access CoverFox from here, and I've clicked on it, so it's taken me to this page. Okay, so this is the members area. Okay, and here, if you click here, you can join the Facebook group, and here you will have 2 tutorials, okay, to show you. That's gonna take you to YouTube videos. Okay, so as you can see, there was the free editor they show you, and there's another video that's gonna take you to YouTube as well, like 10 minutes tutorial videos, these 2. Okay, and then I had some here are the bonuses, all of the bonuses, so you just click here to download, and the templates that you will need to download will be, well, I believe you have to go back to the members area. So he also provides you with some squeeze pages, but no, let me show you let me find where the templates were. So it's the walkthrough, it's the okay, here are the 50 designs. So, I did download them, I believe. Do I have them here? CoverFox? Yeah, here they are. So, they will look like this. And you will have all of the designs. Okay, so let me open the PDF version, one of them. Okay, there you go. And then they will be, you can open them with that free editor they give you access to and make changes if you wish. Okay, so let me shut that. Oh my goodness, I have shut everything. So yeah, this is just me, typical. I'm too quick sometimes. Okay, so that was the main training section, and then you have some resources. So he gives you a squeeze page, some free squeeze pages as well that you can access here with a lead magnet connected to it. And then you will have the conclusion. Okay, a few words from Dawud to finish it up. And then here are the bonuses, but the bonuses, he will just say that you will access them from the main training section. And if you can access the upgrades from here, I'll show you what's included in the upgrades in a second. So it's the Pro version, Total Traffic Fix, Reseller Rise, done for your weekly campaigns, Elite Academy membership. So this is his high ticket training course where you get to launch a product with Dawud on Warrior Plus. Okay, if you want to, if you have some good ideas, so Dawud will allow you to launch a product with him under his name on Warrior Plus, which is a big deal, really. Okay, and then here you have some extra bonuses and some unadvertised bonuses, some extra freebies. Okay, and this is as straightforward as that. You get 50 designs for your PLRs, lead magnets. I have recorded too. I mean, I've talked too much today. Yeah, My throat is just getting dry. So yeah, let me show you the funnel. So the front end would be $12.95. So again, 50 times for your designs, fully customizable, all source files included, and a free Photoshop alternative to edit them templates. Okay, OTO number 1, guys. Here's a 47 and $27 downsell is the pro version, so you get 100 times more done for your designs with design developer rights and white label rights. That means you can rebrand them and all of that. Okay, OTO number 2 is the total traffic fix. Okay, what does it mean? 197 and 97 downsells. So send 10 times super solo ads to all of the members at all 25 of my own membership sites in the MMO, make money online niche. Plus, place your banner permanently on my 25 sites with your affiliate link. Plus, enjoy free VIP upgrades at all of the sites to enjoy a massive traffic injection. So here it's gonna be probably like this. What do you call the rotator, that your link will be thrown into those rotators, and if it happens to be your affiliate link, you will get the commission, something like that. But it's quite pricey, this upsell. Okay, and then OTO number 3 is the reseller rights for 47 downsell 27. So you can, straightforward. Obviously, if you promote this product, then you get to keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel, as opposed to 50%, the standard 50% as an affiliate. And OTO number 4, done for your weekly campaigns, 97 or downsell 47. And last but not least, actually this is the last one, OTO number 5, Elite Academy. Okay, so it's either 997 one-time payment or 497 times free downsell. So times 3. It's a downsell. It's an upsell, because you end up paying almost $1,500, right? So for a limited time, this exclusive offer will include beta tester to Dawud's new high-ticket program, Elite Academy, launching later this month. Be one of the very first to join. I'm not sure what he means by that. I mean, what this Elite Academy has been around for quite some time. I'm not sure, really not sure what he means by that. But maybe I'm just not thinking straight or clearly or whatever. Maybe I'm having a blonde moment. I've dyed my hair. Sorry guys, I shouldn't be really saying really saying that. Nothing like against blonde girls. So silly of me. Anyhow, okay, so that's it. So that's CoverFox. If you need it, you may grab it from me. Okay, if not, check out my free courses. Guys, they're super amazing. You will love them as much as I love them. That's why I always talk about them. I offer them to my viewers. They are free, completely free, and they will help you, but you have to have the right mindset and approach to making money online, and understand it takes time, effort, and consistently, and some investment as well, obviously. Alright, love you and leave you. See you in my next video. Bye. Have a gorgeous day.